Can we talk to you about the oil market? I mean, we're flying higher on the oil market, a whole host of reasons there as well. Citigroup have a note out this morning saying that if there's an escalation to conflict in our geopolitical region of the world, there's another $10 left in the tank, so to speak, on the upside. Is geopolitics at a plateau at the moment? Is the price hitting a plateau with geopolitics on the price of oil at the moment?
I think it is, and you mentioned it there, Manus. I've seen over the last 24 hours someone saying that there's a risk down to 30. If the trade war escalates, there's a risk up to 100 if the military conflict escalates. So this is really the sea that oil has to navigate right now, and it's obviously quite violent at times. I do take note of the fact that the spread between Brent and WTI has narrowed the last couple of days. It does indicate it's actually WTI that's driving the move higher just for now, and that's due to first of all the stock levels has come down, seems to be for a second week in a row, which is what we expect this time of year, but also this blowout of the refinery on the East Coast, which yesterday pulled the gasoline significantly higher. So the pull right now is coming from WTI. I think we have a plateau here. I would be very surprised to see $70 only if there is a conflict, because the demand growth worries is still there.
Yes. Yeah, and Ole, on that demand growth, so the flip side of that Citi note that Manus was referring to is Bank of America Merrill Lynch saying that oil could actually halve if China devalues the yuan, and they're referring to the demand side there. How much of a pull could the demand side have to the downside on oil if we get beyond the geopolitical risk premium right now?
Well, it could have a significant pull because OPEC and Russia can control supply, they cannot control demand. And in order for demand to return, we need obviously see a price as low as possible to attract additional demand, or potentially start to reduce some of the supply. And if we should see a price drop to that kind of level, there will be quite a few leveraged oil players in the US that will start to have some problems.